Apple, Google, Amazon, and YouTube, all these companies have one thing in common. All of them have had their origins in the garages of the cities of America. The transformation of these small businesses into leading giants that they are now is phenomenal and gives the audience many pointers as to what strategies are to be followed by the people to transform their small businesses to a big business. The success and growth of a business depends on how much the company is doing in order to make it successful and noteworthy. Here in this video, we cover some of the essential steps that are to be followed to turn a small business into a bigger one. Make a list of goals. It's always best to start your journey toward becoming a bigger business. The list of goals serve as a guide into taking the necessary steps that are fruitful in making a business into an established and full-fledged business. Having the right goals and strategies help you to work on a priority basis of what is to be done at what time so that the right path is followed by your business. Maintain diversity in products and services. The key to having a successful flow of business and having the right business growth is making sure that the products or the services you provide are diverse and cater to a wider range of customers. Diversification of products and services is an effective way to monitor that the business is expanding in the right manner. It is crucial to diversify the products and services that your business supplies based on the similar tastes and demands of your customer base. Expansion is the key. The key for a small business to grow in the right manner rests in the way it is expanded both physically and virtually. In order to make sure that the expansion of a business is proper, the business owner should make sure that the business expansion is laid out evenly in a strategic manner. It is important to have a plan that acts as a guide for you to expand your business in various locations and the licenses that are needed for other suppliers to sell your products in the market. Therefore, expansion is a major component that adds much needed value to transform into a bigger business. Choose the right growth strategy. A business needs to have the right growth to transform into a bigger and better business. As the owner, it is important for you to choose the right growth strategy, one that would guarantee success in every sector that would eventually lead to a good strategic growth in the business model. While choosing the right business growth strategy, it is important to make sure that one cannot deal with just finances, time, personnel, and expertise alone in order to be able to guide the company in the right growth arch. Therefore, it is important to see that the right criteria is taken into account to navigate the business in the right direction of growth. Conclusion: every small business has the aspirations to turn into a good and a successful business in the global market. It is important to make sure that the right strategy is followed, along with a list of goals and the right expansion plan that are very much helpful in leading a company toward the right direction and transform into a bigger, better, and established business. All the above strategies are essential in the transformation of a business and are helpful to anyone who is looking to expand their business. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.